Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yoshi Sangrodevia. I'm from Indonesia. Today I will do a presentation about things around me. The theme is my house. I have a house, more especially my parents' house. My house is not too big or too small. There are two bedrooms, one in the front and one in the back. But there is only one bedroom. There is no dining room, so I usually eat in the living room. There is also small TV in the living room, so I can watch while I'm eating. Currently, my house is being renovated. My parents are adding to more bedroom because the current rooms are not big enough and will renovation will probably be finished around July this year. I will move into the new room and I am very happy about it. My current room is not very big, but I think it's very comfortable. Even though it doesn't not have air conditioning. I usually do my homework, playing games, and sometimes even I eat in my room. I feel more comfortable there than in the living room. I also collect novels and keep them on a bookshelf in my room. So I sometimes read books that my mom and my room is at the back of the house, and there is also a small garden where I grow flower in front of my house. There are several trees planted by my parents, such as mango, rambutan, and orange tree. Besides that, my parents also plant flowers such as lily and jasmine. Maybe that's it for presentation. If I mistake the word, I'm so sorry, and thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.